In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. If you're editing in DaVinci Resolve and you want to quickly view your keyframes, the good news is that it's very simple once you know where to look. Keyframes are useful because they let you control changes over time, like movement, zoom, opacity, or other adjustments in your clip, so being able to open the keyframe view easily is an important part of working faster in the editor. To begin, go to the top area of the interface. In that row, you'll find the option for keyframes. Click on it, and this will open the Keyframe tab. This is one of the main ways to reveal the keyframe panel, and it gives you access to the controls you need for seeing animation points and timing changes on your clips. If you don't already have the panel visible, this is usually the fastest place to start. There's also another way to open the Keyframe tab directly from the timeline area. This can be especially helpful if you prefer working closer to your clips and want a quicker, more timeline-focused method. On the row of tools attached to the timeline, look for the diamond-shaped icon. That diamond icon represents keyframes. Once you click it, the Keyframe tab for the timeline will open. After that, you'll be able to view the keyframes associated with your selected clip, or adjustments, depending on what you're working on. If you don't immediately see any keyframes appear, make sure you've selected the correct clip in your timeline, because the panel usually displays keyframe information based on your current selection. That small detail can save you time if you're wondering why the panel opened but looks empty. Both methods do the same basic job, so you can use whichever one feels more natural in your workflow. The top interface option is great when you want a clear panel view, while the diamond icon in the timeline is convenient when you want to stay focused on editing in the timeline itself. And that's it. That's how to see keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. Once you know these two locations, it becomes much easier to access and manage your animation controls while editing.